We've depended on irrigation to help grow our food for thousands of years. And so it continues. 40% of food production in the world today is grown on irrigated land. The trend in the world is the trend in Alberta. 4% of Alberta's agricultural land is irrigated. That 4% accounts for 20% of the province's agricultural product. Half of the raw product for Alberta's multi-billion-dollar food processing industry comes from this irrigated land. The 3 irrigation districts of the Bow River Basin produce much more than they could based on precipitation alone. With irrigation, the irrigation districts on the Bow River produce 45 different crops. Local food production for a growing population. Fresh food that does not come on a truck from California. For the grower, there are 2 main reasons for choosing irrigated land. Number 1, stability. On irrigated land, water supply can be stable. Water on demand. The second reason to choose irrigation is flexibility. Of all the 45 crops grown on the Bow River Basin irrigation districts, only 10 could be grown here without irrigation, and that means with significantly lower yields. What is grown in each irrigation district is a response to local climate, landform, and market. In the Western Irrigation District, the response is cereal grains, hay crops, canola, market garden vegetables, and feedlot beef. Plus, lawn turf and nursery trees for the city suburbanites. The Eastern Irrigation District is much drier. Most of the non-irrigated land is native pasture land used for cattle grazing. Therefore, a lot of the irrigated land grows forages such as alfalfa, barley, and corn silage for beef production. Cereals, oil seeds, and specialty crops such as potatoes, grass seed, and seed alfalfa are all grown in the Eastern Irrigation District. The Bow River Irrigation District is the farthest south of the Bow Basin districts, and it is in general the hottest district. Heat and local processing have led to an emphasis on canola, dry beans, and dry and fresh peas, potatoes, and sugar beets. Landform remains the same, but climate changes. Irrigated land is the most able to respond to those changes when they come. The stability and flexibility afforded by irrigation are not only benefits for the growers, they also add up to food security for the consumer. Irrigated local food will still be here as long as the Bow River runs.